Good morning, everybody. It's Suzanne here, and today we're going to talk about subscription boxes. And for me, that means Stitch Fix. It is Stitch Fix time again, and I love it. I have it set up for delivery every quarter. That means every 4 months. Excuse me, my eye is watering. So, let's go look inside. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Suzanne. I am a makeup artist. I also like doing unboxings of my subscriptions. And I welcome you. If you are new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified every single time when I upload a video. So here we go. This is the Stitch Fix box. It's quite large this time. So for those of you who do not know about Stitch Fix, it is clothing and accessories that you pick out, or you give them a fill out a whole bunch of questions or answer a whole bunch of questions, and they will send you whenever you want, if it's monthly or every 2 months, or as for me, quarterly. I'm having a hard time opening this puppy up. A box of curated clothing and accessories. So it is quite fun. All right, let's see if I get this puppy up this time. Oh yes. Well, maybe not. Maybe yes. Okay. Wow. It is big and heavy. And let's see what they sent me this time. This is perfect for people that don't have time to go shopping. So, this is the package of what they sent me this time around. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag, in the box. Let's see. Receipts, everything. What does it say? It says, you love Stitch Fix? They will too. All right, one size fits all. Take the guessing out of gift giving with a Stitch Fix gift card. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's get to the fun of it, though. Like I said, this is quite heavy this time. It is winter. It is December 2019. And the first thing that they sent is a sweater. I think it's a sweater. Yes. No, it's a cardigan. It's upside down. It is a cardigan. Oh, this is lovely. A beautiful long duster cardigan, and it is a cotton blend from, it says a Stitch Fix exclusive by RD Style, rdstyle.com. If you want to look at this beautiful long duster, it has some great button detail on the sleeves. All right, can't wait to use this. Next in the pile is white and silver. Oh, this is a sweater. Oh, look at this. A crew neck sweater, and this is from Design High Story. Oh, Design History. High Story. Design History. Okay, so this has a little bit of a bling, a nice little sleeve to it. This is going to be perfect for when I go to Europe in February. All right, let's see. What else is in here? What's it made of? Here we go. It is acrylic. 48% acrylic. 40-some% metallic, and then a couple percent of nylon. That means it'll wash nicely. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. And the next piece is something floral. This is a blouse. Looks like a blouse. I like these types of blouses. I wear these a lot. Just my style. Great, we'll probably need a cardigan, a camisole underneath. And this is by Cut from the Cloth. There we go. I love their jeans. I don't think I ever had a blouse made by them, but I love the colors. I think it works. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Cut from the Cloth. And last but not least, oh no, 2 more items. Here we go. Here's another piece. This is Market and Spruce, a cute little sweater with cotton back detailing. Great, 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 great. No sleeves, no detail on the sleeves, I mean. Okay, let's see, what is this made out of? Oh, my eye is just watering. All right, this is 60% cotton and 40% rayon for the wove, and then the polyester is for the woven. There we go. That's good. Be easy care. Easy care for this. I'm really liking this. Yeah. Okay, let's find that Kleenex again. And now, last but not least, looks like a pair of trousers. Dark blue. Flat front, pull on, straight legged with button detail on the side. So blues or black? I think this might be black. Yeah, I think it's showing black. All right, this is by Tribal, and it is rayon, nylon, and spandex. These will keep their shape very nicely. Well, this is what I got in my subscription box from stitchfix this month. So happy. Thank you very, very much. I hope this one was entertaining to you. Please hit that like button. Tell me what you think and what subscription boxes you subscribe to. I want to know. Is there something else I should be getting? Until next time, everybody. Thank you for watching. Love to you all.